Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paula and today I'm going to show you how to do your makeup. And I believe most palettes have these combinations of browns and burgundies. They're especially great if you have blue eyes because they just make your eyes pop. And paired with copper, they just look great for any fall and winter look. So I hope you enjoy it and let's get started.
First step before applying eyeshadow is to prime my eyelids. This way I don't have to worry about creases or eyeshadow fallout. I am using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, but you can use anything you have available that's warm toned. I pick the lightest shade and with a concealer brush, I apply it evenly all the way across my eyelashes. Next up, using a blending brush, I apply a light medium color above the crease and blend it thoroughly. Using a flatter eyeshadow brush, I apply a slightly darker brown in a crease and the outer corner of my eyelid. I blend. Thumbs up if you liked the video so far. Next, I like to use an angled brush to apply a darker brown from the outer 1/3 of the eyelid upward towards the eyebrow ending. Using an angled liner brush, I apply the medium shade used on the crease to my lower lashes as a shadow. Next is my favorite rich burgundy. With an angled brush, I tight line it close to the eyelashes and upward flicking it out. And lastly, the eyeliner. Using an eyeliner angled brush, I slightly damp it. Then I dip it in the darkest brown to tight line again over the burgundy only on the top eyelid. There's no fallout and it stays put all day long. It's my favorite type of eyeliner. This last step is optional, but if you really want your eyes to pop, I use a flat brush and I dip it in the sparkliest, lightest shade that I see in the palette. And then just ever so slightly damp it in the inner corner of the eyes. I then curl the eyelashes and apply a light mascara that adds some volume and curl. You probably heard that the eyebrows frame the face. They really do, and it brings the whole look together. This is the final look, the makeup for blue eyes. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!